my God. What's this? What? Rick, you didn't do it, did you? Oh, you did. You did. Wait, get some content. Nomadic hippie.
Nomadic hippie.
Okay.
Add contact to your channel, Nomadic hippie.
Oh, wow. I had just woken up and I figured, why not? What better thing to do than just grab a cup of coffee and do a quick unboxing about a pretty cool product that I've been seeing on the internet quite a bit lately. Because it's a holiday season, we're nomadic people, we're trying to downsize, and not everybody needs a gigantic TV or an entire game system in their rig, whether you're in an RV or in a tractor trailer. How can you have that big living space with all the amenities without cluttering everything up? I'm going to find out. Is this product going to make my life better in a small space? That's the plan. So this here is the Oculus Quest 2, the newest in VR awesomeness. Yes, as you guys can see, it is created by the company of Facebook. But don't let that fool you. It's supposedly a pretty good product, unlike their social media platform. On this side of the box, it really just has nothing except for warnings and blah, blah, blah. On this side, it says, inside this box, we have a VR headset, 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries, which I'm assuming are for the touch controllers. You get your power adapter, your glass spacer, and a charging cable. On the back of the box, so we can flip it over here, we get a look at some of the titles. Now, there's a lot more games than this, but the ones I'm really focusing on today, once I get this thing charged, plugged up, and in a future video, is the Star Wars one. And I'm kind of excited about Jurassic Park, but also, hear tales. There's a Resident Evil game that's outstanding. It says here, next level hardware, blazing fast processor, ultra realistic graphics, put you right in the center of the action. Supposedly very, very easy setup. No PC required, which I like because I have a Chromebook. Backwards compatible. Wow. With their constantly growing library. Sounds fun, right? So what I'm going to do is show you kind of what it's like right when you get it, open up the box, what you have to do at the very beginning before you even start playing games. How long does it take before you can actually open it, put it on, and get into the fun? Well, we're going to find out. This actually could be the hardest part because I'm not recording. I'm not doing this with my camera. I'm doing this video with my cell phone. Oh, I don't need scissors. Oh, it could be easier than I thought. Look at this. On the outside of the plastic, pull tabs. Ooh, I like that. No more need for scissors. Okay. This whole thing just got a little bit faster. Okay, this took about 4 seconds. And you don't need scissors. Okay, this here. Oh, no, you're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. Okay, this might be easier. That's a Star Trek door sound. Okay, here we go. Ready, guys? For the unveiling. Dun, dun, dun. Holy cow, would you look at this cool stuff. So we got our controllers, right and left hand. We got the headset, and what's in here is more than likely the charging cables, I'm guessing. So, yeah, that took all of about a minute or two to get to the product. Not bad. Now, to take the handles out, ooh, that's left hand. And you could tell it's left hand because it feels like it belongs in the left hand because you got the clicker here. But also, they were nice enough to put a L on there, which I guess means left. And at the bottom, it looks like there's a tab for the battery. You just pull that, and the battery's active. No need to put the battery in. Okay, perfect. Now, sliding this out, there is a little box here with an O on it. Probably stands for the word Oculus. We have to open that up. And it is just a little flip lid box, easy to get to. Looks like we got some instructions. A little nice little instruction pack in there. Probably have to use those. A charging brick. Yay, which we all have plenty of those laying around somewhere. And let's see, is this USB Type-C? That's USB Type-C, and that's USB. So a double-ended USB Type-C, which we all have probably numerous ones of. So put that back in because I actually don't need that, because like I said, I have lots of these. Just put it back in there. Now on to that big boy. Wow, this thing is pretty heavy. This is supposed to fit on your head. There's some beef and heft to this thing. I like it. So it has these it comes with these nylon straps. I hear you're supposed to upgrade. There's a $50 package for an upgrade, but I can't afford that right now. I can't afford it. So on the side we have some buttons. We have lots of little cameras and sensors around the outside. So I guess that's so it knows where you're standing. Volume, up and down. And that's about it. That is, what does this say? It says move lenses left or right for the clearest view. Easy enough. It also looks like if you wear glasses, it comes with a spacer, so you could put this in the headset and give yourself a little bit of extra room to fit your glasses in. Kind of nice. At the moment, I don't need that, so that'll stay in the box too. All right, well, let's break this thing out and read some instructions and see what we got to do first. I'm assuming the very first thing we have to do is charge the device. I think that's the perfect thing you should do every time you get an electronic device, whether it's a cell phone, a camera, or anything. Charge those batteries. It's that time. Oh, okay, well, I charged it for a good 35 minutes. There's no lights or any indicators or anything that says, hey, this is how long you have to charge it. So I'm assuming it's good enough. It probably came with somewhat of a charge. This is the strap it comes with. Now there is a hard one that I guess is 3D printed, but it's been breaking. But people said that's the most comfortable. I haven't tried this one yet. I'm going to try it here on my regular review of this product. But yeah, so that was it. All you got to do now is grab these controllers right here, and there's a button on them somewhere. I don't know where it is. Oh no, you just pull the tab. Once you pull the tab for the battery, it's active. Next, all you got to do is on the side of the headset, there's a pairing button. You touch that button for about 2 seconds, it pairs the controllers, and these things can go on your noggin, and you can get right into a virtual world of fighting Darth Vader, killing Walking Dead zombies, or flying through outer space. Or, if you're like me, what I'm going to use this for, I got rid of the TV inside my truck. Now, I got one here in the motorhome, but in my truck, I don't have nothing. I don't have the space. So this here could come in handy. It could put me in a big, gigantic living room while I'm just laying in my bed with a fireplace crackling, a big screen TV, and even in the real world, my cat can lay on my feet. So it's just like I'm home, all in here. So this is a lot smaller than having a TV in your rig. That's what I'm thinking. I can watch my Netflix, my Disney Plus, my YouTube, everything right from here. So that's the reason I got it. Stay tuned in now. Stay tuned in because I'm going to do impressions after I use this for a couple days and see what I really think about it and see if it's something that you guys may want when trying to downsize and get rid of all your large stuff, especially when you're low on space. Stuff like this can help. We'll see. Anyway, until the next time, guys, thanks for tuning in for this quick little unboxing and seeing how fast it takes to set everything up. I'm done. I charged it. All I got to do now is pull that plastic off these lenses and on my noggin. That's it. All right, guys, until the next time, I love you all. Peace out.